The Attorney General will face off with lawyers for Minority Leader Dr. Kasiela Toforcing and businessman Richard Jakpa, who are standing trial for causing financial loss to the state. And the process is leading to the procurement of some ambulances. Godfred Yeboadame has filed an application challenging an affidavit of mistrial and an inquiry into his conduct filed by the first accused, Dr. Kasiela Toforcing. Lawyers for the third accused, businessman Richard Jakpa, have also filed an application demanding charges against him to be struck out. In his affidavit, Mr. Jakpa testifies on oath that the Attorney General, Godfred Dame, has had several interactions with him in which he has admitted that Mr. Jakpa was innocent and assured him of his acquittal. We are minutes away from the controversial ambulance procurement trial at the Financial and Economic Court, and already big wigs of the opposition NDC, including third accused Richard Jakpa and opposition members of parliament, are trooping in. A high-spirited Richard Jakpa spoke exclusively with Joy News and says he expects nothing but justice from the sitting judge.
Court and come and refute the allegations and then set aside the record according to his opinion straight, the way he thinks it's supposed to be. I have done mine in court, so I'm expecting to come and do this.
Do you
is in court, not in public opinion.
Do you
to determine that.
Sorry about that. Do you expect Mr. Godfred Dame to be in court today? Is that your expectation?
Well, he's supposed to be in court because he's Attorney General, and this issue is personally between he and I. You know,
if he doesn't show up, how would you feel if he doesn't show up?
The court to determine that.
Mm-hmm. So again, you want to reiterate that at the end of the day, you would be exonerated. You are not going to jail.
Because I'm an innocent man.
What do you make of the position that the tape you put out is a doctored tape?
Well, they are claiming it's a doctored tape. I didn't say that. So they should bring the original. Mm. They should tell the original to court.
But why did you record the Attorney General?
Well, that is not for you.
He says you've been disingenuous.
Well, that's what he claims.
If that it was a private.
Prosecuting innocent people, who is disingenuous?
It was a private conversation, and now you put it out.
You claim it's a private conversation.
That's what he says.
Well, a private conversation, it's a conversation that leads to committing crimes, it can no longer be private. It becomes a crime against the state. So it can no longer be private. So that private claim is neither here nor there.
The bottom line is you didn't tender that in evidence.
I'm not a lawyer. My lawyer knows his strategy, and he understands the court processes more than I do. So he's doing what is required by him. He has got his own strategy, and I cannot dictate to him his strategy.
So at the end of the day, you expect that you're going to walk?
Well, there must be justice, and I'm here seeking for justice.
So justice, anything other than you walking free will be injustice?
I cannot decide that I'm walking free. It is her ladyship who will decide based upon the evidence I used before her. Mm. The evidence will lead to that. And I know she's going to hold fidelity to the law. And that's what is expected of her. And that's exactly what I know she'll be doing. So I don't have any issue at all.
Are you looking forward to a face-off between you and Mr. Godfred Dame?
No, it can't be a face-off.
Let me put it that way, face-to-face.
There's no need for face-to-face. We are dealing everything in court. Mm. My lawyers will deal with it.
In court, in court.
But I cannot cross-examine him. My lawyer will do that. So there's nothing like face-to-face.
Mm. Have you seen him?
It's an issue of evidence against evidence. The game is about evidence, that is all.
Have you seen him since you put out the tape? Have you seen the Attorney General after putting out the tape in the public domain?
Not at all.
Has he reached out to you?
Not at all.
Have you reached out to him?
Not at all.
So there was a CJ, Justice of the Supreme Court involved. Has he reached out to you?
Not at all.
There were many who they believe that you actually thought about you wanted to record the Attorney General. That's why your voice is so loud.
Well, that is their opinion. They're entitled to their opinion.
Okay. So how's the feeling now that they're moving this out? Now you are the man in town. Everybody is talking about Richard Jakpa.
Well, I'm focusing in court. That's what I'm supposed to be doing. As for public opinion, I've not spoken to the public. I'm dealing with the court.
What kind of reception do you get after this whole matter?
Oh, normal as every other citizen.
You work free in town, nobody
free in town.
Are you concerned about your security?
Well,
I mean, you are a security couple. You have a background in security and all of that.
I'm a gorilla in the jungle, so I'm not worried about the jungle business.
You don't think they will come after you? Someone will come after you?
They can try it. If they succeed, fine. But you must make sure they come with professionals.
Have you received any threats?
If they bring amateurs, it will be death sentence for them. But if they should be bringing professionals, if they really want to come after them. That is all.
Many see you to be an outspoken person. You're a very strong man. Is that the case?
Well, that is their opinion. But what I know is that I'm a principled man.
You're a principled man.
That is all. As to being a strong man, it's a different matter altogether.
Thank you.
Hope to see you again after the proceedings.
All right, thank you very much.
And my colleague Latif Idris, who is monitoring this at the court, will be bringing us more in our subsequent bulletins as the trial begins this afternoon. Now